In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos to Google Drive using your iPhone. Now, what you need to do is first go ahead and download the Google Drive app from the App Store. So head over to the App Store, type in Google Drive and download it. Now, provided that you've already logged into your Google account on your iPhone, all you can do is you can go to Google Drive and you can go ahead and upload these files. Now, what I would do if you've got more than one file is I would categorize it in a folder. So click on the plus icon. Then go ahead and click create folder and then call this folder something relevant to your videos. So I'll just call it here videos example. Then create, and then you need to go ahead and find the folder. To do that, goes to my drive and then click last modified by me. And if the arrow is pointing down, it should then be there. Now you can click inside the folder and upload as many videos as you'd want. Click on the plus icon, click upload files, photos and videos. Then you can find the album, so I'll just click recent. And then you can select as many videos as you would want. I'll just select 2 for the video example. Then you click upload in the top right. Once you've done that, it will then start to upload those videos. And just be patient because it could take a while depending on your internet connection. Here you can see the progress bar. After that goes to 100%, they will be uploaded to Google Drive. So that's all you've got to do.